2017 Ford F350 King Ranch Powerstroke loaded. This truck does have 182,000 miles, but as you can see from the video, this is one clean truck. Somebody conditioned the leather in this truck because it doesn't even have any stress cracks or tears. Clean carpet, WeatherTech floor mats. Even has the sticker still on the touchscreen stereo. Gooseneck and fifth wheel provisions from the factory. 6.7 Powerstroke. Alloy wheels. It's kind of hard to say how somebody would drive a vehicle this amount of miles and it look as clean as this one does. That's why we had to do a video, just so people could appreciate the cleanliness of this truck. For some reason, the rear tires are white letter. We're getting ready to flip those around, so they will be black wall. So if you do see this video and then you see the photos after the fact, we are going to flip those around. Tires are all in good shape. Fronts are new. Backs are probably half or so. You can see a reflection in this truck. For a black truck, this truck is extremely clean. It's a rainy day outside, or we would have it outside so you could get a look. I'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Oh, no keys. Does run good. It has been serviced, has been inspected. 182K. No service lights, no check engine lights. Spotless truck. Does have power inverter. One little bad spot in the window tint over there. It's got pretty dark window tint. One little bad spot right there. Probably about the only fault on this truck at all. Straight and clean, no rust. 4x4. Chassis you could eat off of. No leaks or drips on the floor. 2011 F350 King Ranch. So excuse me, 2017. On the website davis4x4.com, AverageTrucks.com, or daviswatersports.com. All websites lead you right back to our full inventory. Also check out our YouTube channel for videos of this truck and obviously many others. 804-271-0030 if you have any questions. Quite a few other unusual trucks in stock too. That Bronco's getting ready to post online. Willys is getting ready to get a wheel and tire change. Blazer just got some upgrades. And Jeep just sold, just awaiting shipping. Call us anytime if you need anything. Thank you very much.